Today I'll be showing you how to make these easy and delicious lemon cake donuts. In a medium bowl, combine 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Whisk until it's combined and set aside. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Give this a quick mix, and this just helps break down the sugar a little bit. Next, we will add 2/3 of a cup of whole milk, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1 large egg. Whisk this until it is well combined, and then we can add in our flavorings. So this is 1 teaspoon of lemon zest and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Give this a quick mix until it's combined, and now we can add in our dry ingredients. I like to mix this with a spatula. Since these are a cake donut, you want to mix until it just comes together. A couple of lumps are fine. I have a couple of well-greased donut pans here, and I like to use a piping bag to fill these. You'll want to fill them about 2/3 to 3/4 full so that you have nice full donuts. And if you don't have a piping bag, you can use a spoon or a measuring cup to fill these. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius, and these are going to bake 9 to 11 minutes. When they come out of the oven, you'll want to let them cool for just a couple of minutes and then loosen them with a spatula so that you can easily remove them from the pan. It is very important to let these fully cool before we glaze them, or all of that delicious lemon glaze is just going to run off. So to make the lemon glaze, we are just going to combine 1/4 cup of lemon juice and 1.5 cups of powdered sugar and whisk it until it's smooth. If you'd like a thinner glaze, you can just add a little more lemon juice, or if you'd like it thicker, just a bit more powdered sugar. Now that our donuts have fully cooled, we can begin glazing them. So just drop them in the glaze there, ensuring that they're fully covered, and then just let a little bit of that excess drip off. And these are going to take about an hour or 2 to fully set up. If you have enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. And as always, the full recipe, directions, and all of that important information can be found in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you will join me next week for a new easy recipe video.